Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Pingubuy. So as you can see right here, we have it here, their website. So as you can see, they sell t-shirts, hoodies, jewelry. So they claim that it is a one-stop service, order purchase, merchants delivered to warehouse, quality inspection weighing, international transport. So if you actually click on a t-shirt right here, so they search for your service terms, so just reject that. So you actually taken back here. So if you just click on agree, you're actually taken to this very weirdly edited page. So I didn't even try with this one. So the editing is really bad. Make Chinese products in bold within reach. So let's see the reviews here on Trustpilot, and they actually rated great, which is 3.9 out of 5 stars. So best site, took about 11 days total to deliver. Okay, I have ordered from the website, but the shoes have been stuck at the warehouse for the last 17 days. How long does it take for the delivery? 3 stars because I think it's taking longer than expected, but we'll let you guys know what happens. Easy to use, best and cheapest shipping agent out there. Customer service is amazing, good quality overall. I have an excellent experience with Pingubuy, would definitely recommend their service. Is legit. Deduct funds, pays for reviews, unexpected fees, cheap site layout, dodgy deducts, and right here, this person is trying to go in depth on why is it a scam. I bought $50 of clothes just to be permanently log out of my account and can't log back in. So Pingubuy is legit. So maybe it is true that they pay for their reviews, since they have a lot of reviews right here that are 5 stars. So let's actually move on here to Scam Advisor. But they are also rated 5 stars. 92% here. So this website seems to be legit, but like I said, do take caution when ordering from sites like these, since they do look very shady. However, they can be legit. Like I said, exercise caution when ordering, since maybe you might get scammed or may never receive the product entirely. So if you want to go ahead and try it, go. So that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.